Hi guys, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Tugenda zanya ano muzanyo. Like these are questions. Buli omu agenda alonda akapapula. Ate ekibuuzo ekiri kapapula wakigwa banne nga bamusaaba ettosi. Wakituuka nga yasaaba banne ettosi. Please enjoy, but don't forget to subscribe. Click the bell. Tingling.
Who's the first? Who's the first? Okay, Maria, can you read your question?
Where is our grandma right now?
Louder, louder.
Where is our grandma right now?
Mm-hmm.
In the village.
Which village?
Which village?
Nganji.
And your time is up.
Yeah!
Our grandma is in Ibugerere ewa mama omuto.
What?
Yeah!
Oh my goodness!
When is Nico's birthday?
Yeah!
I know that one, guys.
August 14th.
Are you for real?
Like
And
seriously?
your time is up.
August.
And your
14th?
time is up.
Maybe.
Maybe you're not
No,
sure of your
Nico. Gendo buze mama Nico yazalibwa mu
His time is up.
naku z'omwezi mmeka?
I'm ready.
Gamba
Nico yazalibwa mu.
August 14th. I think she's right.
I know more than
Okay.
Okay.
For nothing.
My question, I'm next. Who is the second last born in our family?
Oh, I
I know this one. It's John. Asimwa John.
Yeah!
Okay, let's get another question.
Pick it up.
Okay, Marion, your
Who's the first?
How do we greet in our language?
Mm-hmm.
Mpoko yawe.
And your time is up.
Okay, it's right. We say Osivirota.
okay, John, you're next.
Mpoko. Mention any two people who work on morning saga akasamba.
Yes!
I think I know this. I need to concentrate. Okay. Rapey.
And your time is up.
Okay, I'm next. You listen to my question. Which color your mom loves most? Okay.
No color.
Another color.
And your time is up.
Yeah, the time is up.
Give it to God. Go give it. Yeah.
Your time is up.
What?
Next question.
I
enjoyed this moment. Next question.
Okay, next question. Mario next. Mario next. What? Go, you're the next. You're the next. You read the question. You read the question.
How many are we right now? The one who's playing the game. We are 3.
Yeah.
I don't think so.
I don't think so. You're wrong. You have to pick. Those people are in the game.
We are playing.
And they're playing with us.
Emma is playing. No.
Emma is the timekeeper.
The next
I'll forgive you.
Which food does your mom prefer?
Oh my God.
What? Pork and millets.
Yeah.
Yes,
Oh
that's
my
right.
gosh, I know mom.
Oh, mom loves
Okay.
millet and
The next question.
How can we prevent
You're wrong.
coronavirus? First of all, coronavirus, yeah. We can prevent it by sanitizing, washing our hands with soap and water, like, you know, and putting on a mask, social
And your time is
distancing, social distancing, and following the SOPs.
Okay, get it.
Mm-hmm. Another question. Oh my God. Oh, I don't know. Hope I know this question.
I already look shiny. Oh, this is the easiest I've ever seen. Wait, I need to calculate.
Mary, you're next.
President.
Looks like he doesn't know this question.
yake yamekaa mvufuzi.
Oh yeah.
I think I don't know that, but I'm ready.
You don't know that question.
I don't know, but I'm ready.
Your time is up. Wow! Oh my God!
Joan was physically chillating.
Yeah, the number is big, guys. It's hard.
Tell us the answer.
35 plus 46, it's 81.
Is it that?
35,
Plus 46, it's
46,
30 what?
11.
35 plus 46, it's 81.
Are you serious?
Yes, I'm serious.
You've said 860.
81!
Yeah.
Told you math is
She was
hard.
physically chillating, seriously.
Math is hard, guys.
But you got the answer.
Give it to
For the color, our dad loves. I know this. I know. Hey, I know it. It's RED.
I don't think so.
Are you?
I think it's
Yes.
Are you serious?
You can ask him. You can ask
No, that's not his color.
Look at this one.
It's blue. Yeah, I know daddy's color.
I know that this color.
Yeah, I know daddy's color.
I know that
No, you're lying. I asked
Judith.
him.
Let's call dad.
No, okay, let's continue. Okay.
It's blue.
First I was like, maybe it's pink, but then I said, maybe it's blue, and I was right.
Lying. You didn't know that.
Yes, I did. Say it first. What did we?
Mary,
What is the other name of Mr. Robert Chagulanyi Center? The other name is Bobby
And
Wine.
your time is up.
Yeah, correct.
I like you. You know that one. Like you know that one.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I know this, guys. I know this. Yesterday, what did we eat? Then supper, dinner, breakfast. What is it?
I think.
Before supper.
Okay.
So.
And your time is up.
I said it first.
Okay. Matok and gain nuts.
That's right.
How old is Joan? How old is Joan? This guy. This guy, like, you know, the inches.
No,
Joan.
age, not the inches.
Okay, Auntie Jaga, I want them to see you. This guy. How old is?
And your time is up.
Your time is up.
You're 13!
But the time
But
was
you're saying
up.
that you're 12 because of the coronavirus lockdown.
She is like Captain
Okay,
like
guys.
Captain Man. So.
Okay, guys. This is our game. You can do it like at your home in this lockdown, and you can enjoy it. Yeah?
She's kidding.
And we're gonna take a long shower. Bye.